The cargo's heavy, but I can lift it if it stays still.
I've got eyes on the safest route. Let's keep steady.
Wait, look! That route's blocked. There's a better way over there. Adjusting position. Can we secure the base before moving?
Base is steady, but the line's shaking. Watch the hook carefully.
Hook's slipping. Everyone stay sharp. We're running out of time.
If we anchor the hook here, it'll hold. Trust me.
Good call. Adjusting tension now. Almost there. The ground's uneven. I'll lower slowly. Keep guiding me.
You're on target. Just a few inches left.
Clock's ticking. Everyone, hold your positions. This is it.
Locked in. Cargo secure. We did it.
Great teamwork, everyone. That was a close call.
We watched, planned, and acted calmly.
That's how it's done. Now,